Hi there, Dennis Harris coming to you from Townsville. I'm at lot 118 at Claret Close, and we're just doing a bit of an inspection on the update on the new construction. As you can see, we're at lockup and things are looking pretty good. So let's go and have a look inside and see how the construction is coming along. And I'm in the 2-bedroom unit of lot 118. Let's go and have a look how construction progress is going. Just inside the doorway, we're into the first bedroom. Just on the right here, we've got the linen cupboard. Once again on my right, and we're entering into the next bedroom. We've got the bathroom and the toilet. And then we're into the main living area and dining with the kitchen as well. So there's the actual side entrance to the 2-bedroom unit. If you don't come through the garage, the back of the unit, through the sliding door here behind me, that's where the alfresco patio will be. Hi there, Dennis Harris. I'm in the 3-bedroom unit garage, and what you can see behind me is the laundry and the utility cupboard. I'm at the main entrance of the 3-bedroom unit. Come on down. Let's have a look at the first bedroom. So behind me you can see they've got a nice wardrobe with shelving, plenty of space with lots of light for the windows. This bedroom is at the front of the house, and obviously you can see just above my head it's air conditioned. And also a bath and a shower. Hi there, Dennis Harris from Vision Group Queensland. I'm standing inside the kitchen dining area of the 3-bedroom unit on lot 118. The construction work is coming along fantastic and I'm really happy. This is at lock-up stage, and as you can see, it's not long before the kitchen goes in. Hi there, I'm coming to you from the master bedroom. So as you can see, there's plenty of space in here. Easily be able to reach up into the back of the shelves.